A young FMC staff member with blue hair sits at a table in the Faculty Multimedia Center with a female client, discussing an object. The video speeds up and moves toward her as she smiles and examines its shape. The video speeds up and moves to two men discussing a small 3D printed skull. The older man laughs and picks up the skull from his client's hands. The video speeds up and transitions to follow the blue-haired woman into the Makerspace, where multiple 3D printers are visible. She sits at a computer and begins manipulating a 3D model. The 3D model fills the frame. A montage shows the model being prepared for printing. The cursor selects the Switch User button in the settings menu. The model changes to a rotating 3D scan of a skull. The rotating scan zooms out to a laptop screen. The older man sits at the laptop, watching a Revapoint mini scanner scan the skull on a turntable. A quick transition shows the blue-haired woman pressing buttons on a bamboo 3D printer. She opens the printer case, looks inside, and steps away. The Bamboo Lab AMS sits on top of the printer as printing begins, with 4 filament colors connected. The video speeds downward to the start of the print, then shifts left to a 3D printed skull inside an Ultimaker printer. The older man opens the printer, removes the skull, and hands it to his client. The client walks toward the exit. In the background, the blue-haired woman speaks with her client and shakes her hand. Both clients exit the center as the blue-haired woman waves goodbye. She turns off the light, and the screen cuts to black. On-screen text reads, Makerspace, Faculty Multimedia Center.